In this video, we will present to you the feature automatically recalculate prices on subject change. Don't ask for confirmation. When changing the subject in document header, this feature will enable that the prices will recalculate automatically, without a warning message, that would require confirming this action. Let's look at an example. When you change the subject in document header, you do not want the program to ask for your confirmation on the price change every time you do this. So, go to POS Settings, and check the checkbox Automatically Recalculate Prices on Subject Change, Don't Ask for Confirmation. When creating a retail invoice, you can now define the customer and the desired items. If a customer wants to get the invoice issued on their company's name, you can simply change the subject, and the program will automatically recalculate prices, without asking for your confirmation. Thank you for your attention. For further help or advice, please refer to our consultants.